Hi everybody and welcome to episode 14. Let's be honest, after Christmas we got pretty slow at home renovation, but I promise there'll be more of that coming soon. But for the time being, grab yourself a snack and I really hope you enjoy the video.
Saw you paint a picture of a face I wasn't even.
Hello and good morning everyone. This morning has started with Mum, Dad and Ozzy moving the chickens. So I'm gonna go see how it's doing.
But it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9 I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same.
Hello and good morning everybody. I have some exciting news. Today we are getting chickens and Mum and Dad and Ozzy have actually left to go get them. The neighbour kindly picked them up for us yesterday, so they went to go collect them and they'll be here any moment. So we're gonna have some more chickens and hopefully we'll start getting eggs soon, because our chickens have been slacking off and have not been laying any eggs for the past, I don't know, couple of months even. But yeah, a lot of people have been saying that their chickens have been not laying eggs lately, so I don't really know what's going around, but yeah, we're gonna get some chickens.
Do I look presentable?
I'd say so. How was it getting them in the cage then?
It was quite easy.
Really?
Yeah.
Are they calm or not really?
No, well, they had small chicken coop, so she just grabbed one. Passed it to me.
like give a little tour. You know, there's our chickens where they sleep, and then the new chickens. And then there's Stevie.
Known as handsome guy. Handsome guy.
Known as handsome guy. The boys have left, and now it is me and the chicken lady. You're known as the chicken lady. Also, I just want to say, so many people were commenting on the video about the big bird, saying that it's an emu. So many people were saying, I'm pretty sure that's an emu, so...
Well, I don't mind, really, I don't care.
Well, me neither, but there it is. Still walking about. I don't know if I'm in focus or not, but Willow got closed outside, and now he's doing this to me, and now he jumped off. That hurt. You scratched my neck, Willow. Let's get you back inside, buddy. Don't rub yourself too much on my face, okay? No. Yeah. That's the plan. And you know, it's not cold at all. I'm actually quite warm. Willow has come to join again. So my spoon broke, but I'm not like super unhappy about it because I wasn't liking how it was looking anyway. But I want to find another piece of wood to try and make another spoon, so that's what I'm gonna go do. That would be such a small spoon. That would be so cute though. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. That could be pretty good.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin
Hello
piece
everybody.
of
So
bread.
I haven't been filming all that much. Oh my god, hello. Oh. Yeah, I know. You just disturbed my chat. Look at him. Just getting his shoes on. So slowly. Okay, so as I was saying, I haven't been recording all that much for this video because nothing much has been going on. Some small bits and bobs have happened. Dad and Alfred installed a door that leads to the big room where all of the tools are. Dad and Alfred put doors there because, if you guys remember, a cat sort of moved in with us and bringing her kittens. And as we were saying, we were worried about the whole pooping issue. Everyone was saying we should just train them and give them their own like place. That's cool and all. The fact that we were worried, what we were mainly worried about is the fact that there is a cat's poop in sand or dust, and the rooms back there are covered. The floor is just all dirt and everything. So they've been pooping in that a lot. They've been their toilet and they've been neglecting the one that we bought for them. So Dad and Alfred put a door there, and now they've been actually going to the one that we put there for them. But all that aside, what I'm here to properly talk about, they just drove by. We are getting another load of briquette. I don't even know how you say it in English. Briquettes, I'm guessing. My uncle ordered a whole load for us, so thank you. And they have just arrived. So I'm gonna go record that. Now I can see your face. Okay, I'm back inside. I think everything's done. I think we've got all the pallets done, if that's what I should just call them. They're big loads on top of a pallet, so I might as well just call it a pallet. But yeah, I think all that's done. And nothing much is happening today, believe it or not. Oh, okay, here's something I forgot to mention. So I was carving a spoon, as you saw. It broke, as you saw. I didn't really care so much because I didn't like the spoon, as you saw. But then I started to make another one and I never finished it. So yeah. Sorry about that. Something arrived, and it's, for me, I'm assuming it's sent by one of you, but I have absolutely no idea what it is. It doesn't say Amazon on it. What on earth?
Bubbles.
Oh, it's not from one of you. Oh my god, the camera arrived today.
Today?
Yeah. Okay, this is not from one of you. This I bought myself. It is a new camera. That's exciting. Wow. Are we even in focus? Did you even focus the camera?
I would say this is pretty... Alright,
well.
I think the battery
No, I think that, yeah. Okay, this needs to be charged. And then I will film some stuff on here. Yay. Okay, see you in a bit, I guess. Hi. So a couple of Amazon packages have arrived and I'm just going to share them with you, get it out there. First of all, this arrived today. 2 of these. I put this on the Amazon wishlist hoping that I could use it for the caravan, but if not, I'm definitely sure it will be used. I put 1 on there and 2 arrived. Thank you whoever did that. There was no note in the package. The reason why I'm talking so fast is because my camera is going to die any moment. Oh yeah, there was no message from the person that sent this in the package, so I can't thank them by name, but thank you whoever sent this. And second of all, this also arrived, another pack of screws, and I'm really hoping that this is the right card. I sort of lost the card, the one with this one, but I'm really hoping this is it, but it's all in German, so that's another little thing, but I'm pretty sure this is the person that sent the screws. Thank you so much. I'm really hoping this is the right card because I kind of lost track of them. This also arrived. I put silicone on the wish list for the caravan as well to help with the windows once that whole thing is going on. And of course, 2 arrived. The silicone should be from Kerry and Sean, I'm pretty sure that's how I pronounce the name. I'm hoping it is. Thank you so much to the both of you for sending it. Anything at all is highly appreciated. Really hope you all know that I really truly appreciate it. And then this arrived today. This very fancy thing right here. But I put this on there to help with YouTube and being able to do voiceovers properly because I've only been using my phone and that's not the best. Yeah. I'm gonna go open it and show you what it looks like once it's all assembled. Okay, I'm back now. Here it is. This very fancy looking thing. Pretty fancy. I mean, look at it. It's got the foam on it. You can take it off. I put it on. Let's see if it will even come off now. There it is without the fluff. Pop it right on. I didn't want to put a really expensive microphone on there, obviously for obvious reasons. I always feel really guilty when I put something that's very pricey on the Amazon wishlist, but I figured that this had good reviews, so I was like, hey, I'm sure it'll be much better than the phone that I have. But this is from Christina, and if it's from the Christina that I think it's from, girl, how are you still sending stuff? Like, I don't understand it at all. I don't understand it. Here is the lovely message from Christina. Thank you so much to whoever has sent anything. Again, it's highly appreciated. Currently, I'm putting things mainly on there for the caravan build, and also I have, this is exciting news, I have purchased a new camera. So I shouldn't have to be focusing anything by myself because the autofocus doesn't work on this camera. And so I've ordered a new camera and this one should be pretty good. And so yeah, I put some things on the Amazon wishlist to go with the new camera, like batteries, that sort of stuff. But yes, I'm getting a bit off track. I hope everyone's had an amazing day. Thank you again so much for everything. I highly appreciate it and I hope you're doing great. That's all. Bye bye.